Suicide is one of the leading causes of death for youth in Wisconsin.
Now an expansion at Gundersen Lutheran in Crosse is aimed at helping adolescents struggling with mental health issues. News 8's Pauline Lee joins us live with some insight behind its creation.
Well, here in our community, while there are resources for adults battling mental health, sometimes families with kids or teens have to travel 75 to 100 miles before they can find the help they need. The hope behind Gundersen Lutheran's new inpatient behavioral health facility is to shine a light for those who are experiencing some of the darkest times in their lives. Gundersen Lutheran's new inpatient behavioral health building has been a labor of love for Dr. Todd Marr and his wife, Deb.
You look at it and you can say, this is beautiful, it's wonderful, but it was so badly needed.
This spacious new facility provides dozens of individual private rooms and the care and attention needed to help treat young adolescent patients in the community battling behavioral health issues. It's a fight the Marrs can personally relate to. Their daughter Caitlin struggled with depression.
It made us aware that adolescents specifically in this area really had no services or pretty poor services that they offered.
Caitlin had to receive treatment hundreds of miles away from home. She lost her battle to depression in 2007 after an accidental drug overdose.
It was shock and grief for many months.
We didn't let it stop us too long, though.
Keeping their daughter's memory alive and helping others struggling like her was one of the driving forces behind this facility's creation. It will be a resource Judy Schultz of Onalaska says will greatly benefit people living with mental illness like her.
It will show people with a mental illness that there is a place for them to go that's safe, secure, that's new and fresh, and that they're worthy of that.
Schultz was diagnosed with depression 13 years ago, and she hopes her story and the new facility will give others hope that living with mental illness is possible with treatment and support.
I just refuse to be ashamed about it. I'm so glad I never was. Everybody rallied around me and supported me and loved me and accepted it. I probably wouldn't be here without that today.
Now, while this new facility mainly caters to adolescents, it will also provide care for adults struggling with mental illness. The facility will house its first patients on February 5th.
Thanks, Pauline. If you would like to get a first-hand look inside that facility, there will be an open house tomorrow from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. at Gundersen Lutheran's La Crosse campus.